Think you know sticky stuff? Well, think again. Sure, it's an office staple, but can it really build a skyscraper? Rip it, smear it, stretch it. Just don't step in it, because this stuff burns. From the roads we drive to the air we breathe, everything's coming up sticky. So stick around. It's sticky stuff on Modern Marvels. Before there was man or history, there was sticky stuff. It seeped and oozed. It even nourished. 40,000 years after Neanderthals first used tar to affix points to spears, scientists and engineers still look to solve the riddle of why stuff sticks, and then apply those answers to everyday problems. Scientifically, things stick for lots of reasons, but few things have proven as effective as a tape that many consider the strongest in the world. It's called VHB tape, created by the 3M company.
This is our slammer demo, and what we're going to do here is we're going to impact a 16-pound bowling ball into 2 aluminum sheets that have been bonded together with a VHB tape, and we'll see how long the VHB tape lasts. You can see that it did eventually fail, but it did take a lot of impacts.
In fact, that's 10 times stronger than rivets, using the same test.
Now you can see after just 2 impacts how the mechanical fasteners pulled through the aluminum.
Every yard of VHB represents 3M's veteran know-how when it comes to tape. They've been in the business for over 8 decades.
We've been making tapes and adhesives here for about 33 years, and we make today over 12,000 different tapes and adhesives every year. But one of our stickiest tapes is VHB tape.
Used in everything from planes to home electronics and everywhere in between. VHB is tape on steroids. Fast, easy to apply, and as this test shows, able to pull a train car. The secret behind VHB tape is acrylic foam, which makes it airtight, watertight, and highly viscoelastic. Viscoelasticity is one of the most powerful ways things stick. When first applied, the VHB tape seeps and flows into the nooks and crannies of the surface to which it will adhere. This is the tape's viscosity, and it will continue to seep for up to 72 hours after initial application to achieve maximum stick.
Now, as that material is flowing, if you start to pull on it, now the material starts acting like a solid, okay, instead of acting like a liquid. So the way it forms a bond is through viscous flow, and the way it forms a strong bond is by acting like a solid under the application of a stress.
Here's a little demonstration of the elasticity of the VHB tape. So you can see you can elongate it quite a bit, and it still has the resiliency to go back, and we can still take it right back again to show strength and resiliency.
VHB tape's exact chemical formula resides inside this jar. But sorry, that's classified. So if we can't say what's in it, we can show its most spectacular use.
The facades that are used in making a number of modern skyscrapers are actually made out of panels that are just decorative in character. And those decorative panels are very often constructed using an acrylic foam tape like VHB tape in order to attach the panel to a frame, and then that frame is attached to the building.
But even decorative additions need to be strong and durable, especially in extreme environments.
One of the most famous buildings that utilizes VHB tape is the Bajur Arab Hotel, which is the tallest hotel in the world. Also, it's a great example of an extremely harsh environment with high temperatures and high wind loads, which proves the durability and the ultimate performance of the VHB tape.
To meet intense environmental conditions, 3M has done extensive heat tests to compare VHB tape to rivets. And the hotel's engineers chose it to connect the composite aluminum panels to the 60-story frame. Soaring heat, for example, causes the aluminum panels to expand, creating pressure on the connection. Unlike rivets, the viscoelasticity of VHB foam absorbs the stress and allows the aluminum panel to move independently of the steel to which it is stuck. Similarly, VHB tape bolsters the reinforcements that secure the dramatic curves of the Disney Concert Hall in Los Angeles against intense winds and seismic activity. While VHB may be the Superman of tape products,